I'm going to give you a little review of my Mariner 4. It's a raft made by INTEX, and I'm a little bit new to all of this, and I'm trying to just figure out some things and learn a lot and hopefully teach other people in the process. This is my Newport trolling motor, NV series, 62-pound thrust. And then this battery box here will probably be moved at some point. I got to get an extension for that, and I'm going to run it all the way probably to about here. Get it out of the way. That will at least have it like this, and I can lean back and reach the handle because I'm very short. This is my cushioned cooler seat. A little bit of modifications there. There's a Bluetooth speaker there with my little eye bobber. And then the battery here. It's a NOCO battery box. And this battery here is not completely together yet. It's a green OE battery. 100 amp hours. 1200 and some watt hours. It's a lithium ion battery. Can't forget either, built custom made wood and carpeted floor for it with handles for easy transport when you're breaking it down. There's that. There's the other handle there. So yeah, this is what I got so far. I will make a video at a later date when I'm on the water, and we'll see how it goes. Get some more mounts and some other things. At some point, I do want to get like a swivel seat on a post right here and right there. Put the cooler in the middle or on the end where the weight is distributed even across the watercraft, and we'll go from there.